Bomgar Remote Support Pricing explained what you get for your money. Bomgar Remote Support is a leading tool for teams, but most people get this wrong. They assume pricing is simple and uniform. The surprising truth is that Bomgar uses a tiered subscription model that depends on the number of technicians, concurrent sessions, and additional features. For smaller businesses, a basic license for a few technicians might start around per year. This includes standard remote support features such as desktop sharing, remote control, and chat. You won't believe how much value is packed in. Even the base plan includes file transfer, session recording, and audit logs. Enterprise plans, which can run into thousands per year, add advanced capabilities like mass deployment, integrations with its service management tools, and customizable security options. Most people get this wrong by assuming the more expensive plans are just about extra licenses. They are actually about efficiency, compliance, and scalability. Bomgar also offers add-ons for privilege access management, which lets teams secure and monitor administrative credentials across systems. This is critical for businesses handling sensitive data, and the cost scales based on usage. In conclusion, Bomgar Remote Support Pricing reflects both the number of users and the depth of functionality. By understanding base licenses, add-ons, and enterprise features, you go from zero to pro in choosing a plan that maximizes security and productivity while staying within budget.